Okay, so today is the first day I sort of feel like I sort of didn't complete the challenge. I think I, by the letter of the law, did, so I'm going to say that I did, but it felt like kind of a cop-out, and by today, I mean yesterday. I'm recording the video after having slept. I don't think that that breaks any rules. Yesterday, I drove out to hang out with some friends, and I'm in a guest room right now, and on that drive, I listened to a lot of the EP. I listened to like 4 or 5 tracks, which that alone would count as 15 minutes of production, but sort of just like came away from being like, I still sort of think like these things need to change, and it like wasn't really like, I didn't do anything to produce. And then I, in the evening, sat down for 15 minutes and worked on the house track here. I will say I was a little bit high when that happened, and I did not get much done at all. So I'll show you what we did. I'm interested to see how this sounds to me now. Not high, but on our house track here, got this transition we're building. Just that little chord change at the end. I had to change the MIDI in 3 different places, and I had to listen through it and try to come up with the reason, and it genuinely took me like 15 minutes because my brain wasn't functioning at full capacity, which was enjoyable, but also hampered my ability to produce. Literally just trying to go to this like 4 chord at the end here and see if that could be something to like change it up. I've had this idea, I'll show you briefly, and I think this is an entirely separate piece of music, but I do think this is a really good idea. It has a really cool chord progression that I want to turn into its own piece. So doing this kind of feels like it's starting to take from that idea. I've stayed pretty true to the actual chord progression up until this point, and then this section is introducing new chords. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this here, but yeah, we did a little bit of production. We did a little bit of listening. When it comes to listening to the stuff in the car, I would love to be a little bit more proud of the Chiptune EP than I am right now. It feels, a lot of the music feels good, but not great. I'm still trying to debate in my head whether I want to like ask for professional help and see if I can get some people to give me some advice on it, but that will really extend that project, and I kind of just want to call it done. So I think I'm just gonna call it done and just upload it and let it be what it be, and that'll be okay. But yep, this one's just for the people who are really following along with the channel. Thanks so much for being here. We'll work on this some more today, as I have yet to do my actual production session. I'm about to do that right now. So the challenge rolls on, though, technically having been completed, and we'll give ourselves the grace of different little days here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.